Yes, I love this one. Very demure. Like face this way, put that leg back, and then like put your right, like so.
How you gonna make me do that with these rocks?
Put your right foot back. Right foot back. What it do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi PNG, man. We're back at it with another one, man. So today, as you guys can see, this is what's lighting up the subject. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down so you guys can see. This is 0%. This is how it's gonna look without the light. This is 1%, you guys. We're using the Molus X60 from Zune. This thing is insane. This is 1%. This is crazy. It's gonna light us up just perfectly for the shot, you guys. We have Kay coming. We're doing a little shoot right here at this little rock path, and the rock path goes into the lake. So we're gonna try to get some little shots right here. I'm not gonna try to get too close because I don't know what's in that lake. It says no swimming, so there may be some form of alligators or something in there. I don't want to find out, so I'm not even going to play them games. But yeah, so we're waiting for Kay. We're going to go ahead and get straight to it. All right, there you go. I don't know if it was like overexposed before. I'm trying to get it like down to like not being overexposed because it's like a crazy looking like setup. I don't know. It's different. You know what I'm saying? We're outside nighttime. We're shooting on the Sony a7S III, but you guys are on the Canon EOS RP, right? So we all know that that's not a good low light camera, but we're using it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and use that for the BTS tonight and nighttime. I never usually do night shoots, so this could be kind of fun. This should be pretty cool. Let me know if you guys want to see more of the nighttime shoots, nighttime photography. Here goes Kay.
Hi.
She's trying to get everything together. She's trying to get herself together. Step over here into the little box. There we go. We're working with it because it's nighttime, you guys. So we're trying to do a little bit better because we got to have the focus and everything right because the lights can get very overexposed and stuff. If you guys see all these little flies flying, it's because we're outside at nighttime and there's gnats. It's nature. And they you hear the chirping in the background too, also natural, also nature, but they are attracted to light, and we are the only light source out here, if you can see and as you can tell. But we're gonna go ahead, you guys see the little wardrobe vibes. I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups of the wardrobe, show you guys how that looks and things like that. Let's go ahead and get started. I got the Godox V1 that I'm gonna be using, you guys, with my Sony a7S III and my 24-70 lens. Before I even start, I just wanna tell you the truth, bro. Like 1% is so fire with this light because I feel like I could use this light forever, like on this percentage. It's kind of insane, I'm not even gonna lie, but it's pretty crazy. So I'm gonna be using my, I'm just so baffled by this light, bro. 1%, like I could use it for hours and hours on end on this one battery. Oh my God, it's a big bug. On 1%, nah, we good. I mean, I ain't say nothing for real. All right, let me go ahead and go to manual mode, you guys. Turn my X3S on. That's the trigger that I'm using today, my Godox X3S on top of my camera. I don't really know if this is working or not, cause it's like this camera is trying so hard to like stretch its, I just got bit crazy. Oh, wow. What? That shit hurt it, fam. They did my ass. Ouch, bro. Like you could feel, like I felt it like really sit there and stick that shit in there, man. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and change my lighting power on here, you guys. I'm in slave mode. If you guys don't know how to do slave mode, you just hold a little button on the side right here, this little button right here next to the flash. You hold it and it's gonna turn orange for you to be able to connect it to your flash, and just make sure that they're on the same channel. This is channel A, group A in the same channel, channel 21. So I'm gonna go down to 1/64. I got my settings on ISO 100, f4, but I'm gonna go down to f2.8 because it's nighttime. And then my shutter is at 250. What the hell is wrong with her? My shutter is at 250. So yeah, let's see what we get. I'm gonna go up on my ISO to 640, you guys, because it's nighttime. Hold it, let me see, 3, 2, 1. All right, so another thing that you also can notice too, when you go up on your F, it allows more of that background to be seen. So I might go to F3, and I'm gonna go to 12,800 for my ISO. So it's at 12,800 for my ISO, and it's f3.2. Let's see what we're looking at. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's looking a lot better. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go up to f4, you guys. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, f4 is gonna be the one that I'm gonna use, and then my flash power right now is at 64. So 1/64, you guys. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's cute. Make sure to get some distance, you guys. Back up, zoom in, zoom out, all different types. There you go. Yes, hold it, hold it. Some eye contact. Yes, hold it. Yes, hold it. We got a plane flying over, you guys. Hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go. Yep. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh, do both hands. There you go. Yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Yes. I'm shooting raw in JPEG, you guys, for everyone who's wondering. Ooh, push that one leg forward more. Yeah, like that. Hold it. There you go, 3, 2, 1. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more, hold it. Zooming in, you guys. There we go. Get different angles. There we go. All right, I'm gonna look at these. Let me see. Okay, bet. So I'm playing around with the whites right now, you guys. What I'm figuring out is that the whites are really like vibrant white, and I think it's because my white balance is still set to like I'm in the studio. I'm on custom white balance of 5500 Kelvin. I'm gonna go down to auto white balance, you guys, and change that around, try to get a little bit better of a shot. I'm gonna move you guys around over to here so you guys can get a different angle, and I'm gonna bring the light over here as well. All right, let's see. So now I'm messing with this different white balance. I'm gonna see how it's looking right here. Yeah, this is so much better. Like the colors are like real colors. There we go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that's cute. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Be very mindful of like the distance that you have between you and your model, because you don't want to. I knew that was about to happen, but I thought about it when I said it. I said,
I was like, did you just say you hate
when I thought about it, I said, when I heard you say it, I said,
I did.
when I said it, I said, damn. I said, bro, I just said it. I just said mindful, bro. I was like, but just be mindful, you guys, when you are, you know, the distance that you have between you and your model because of the shadow. Like I have the light behind me, so I don't want to cast a shadow onto her. Like if you see my shadow, if I move in front of her, like I might cast a shadow onto her when shooting. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it, 3, 2, 1, hold it. I'm gonna go down on my flash power, you guys. I think that like I'm trying too hard to like move my flash around too much to like make it like not go off like too crazy, but I think I need to. So I'm just gonna like go down. I'm at 1/128 right now on my flash power. That's cute right here. Hold it. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Hold it. Yes. Hold it, yep. Hold it, yep. Yep.
Like my triangles. I want your.
You watched the posting video? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? The triangles and the, yeah, go watch that vid. Yeah, watch it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, go watch that vid. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? The triangles and the, don't eat the S's and triangles, man. Yes, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Ooh, guys, don't forget to zoom out so you can get that scenery. Like face this way, put that leg back, and then like put your right, like, so the idea is like here.
How you gonna make me do that with these rocks?
Put your right foot back. Right foot back.
Got it.
Right hand up. No, just like hold, just hold like there, yeah. Right hand here, like just put that left hand like here, yeah, like that, that's cute. Maybe like cuff it in a little bit more so it's not here, put it like here, like yeah, like that, that's cute. Yeah, there we go, hold it, there we go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There we go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There we go, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, yeah, that's cute, hold it, yes, hold it. Oh, that's cute, that's cute. Hold it. It's giving drunk and just came to the like lake. Here you go, like oh, had a good night out type shit. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it. All right, don't move. I'm taking this trigger off, you guys. It's not flashing and it's pissing me off. I'm about to put it right on the camera. Sorry. Here we go. Let's see. Hold it. Let me see. 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so guys, we're doing direct flash. I just put it on top of the camera now. So we're doing direct flash. So literally, look, we're gonna flash it directly at our model. We're gonna see what kind of dramatic poses we can get, the dramatic shots with the direct flash. All right, let's see.
Which way? This one or no?
That one. Just go up. Yeah, put your arms up. There you go, like that. There you go. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. Yes, there we go. Yes. Yeah, guys, I love this so much more than trying to like balance my damn flash with my hands. Yes, I love this one. Very demure, yes. Put that left hand up and that right hand down. Hold it, yes, 3, 2, 1. Yes, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. I'm going up on my F, you guys, up on my ISL. Now do some forward. New angle for you guys. All right, so like open wide stance. Yep, arms up, lean in. Yeah, like that, there we go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, don't move. Lift in. So
I don't have a lot of hair left.
Lift in the front and lift back. So put your hand, yeah, like that, that's cute. Hold it, let me see. 3, 2, 1. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go, hold it. Yes, eye contact. Look up and off that way. Yes, hold it. I'm gonna do some top ones. Hold it, look right here. Yes, that's cute. Give me some like, yeah, like, yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Kind of look that way a little bit. Yes. Guys, her shirt is like sucking in all this, like the flash, like the white from the flash. Hold it on 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Oh, those are so cute.
3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. I have a center focus, you guys. So that means it's focusing down the middle of my camera in the center. Oh, I like this because it's bouncing off the floor. Now you can like see a lot more. Hold it, let me see. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, don't move. Hold it. 5 f-stop, just so that way I cannot, so that way I don't want that much bokeh. Yeah, there we go.
I need that.
I don't want that much bokeh. Like that much of like a focal length. Like, you know how like they have like it's called bokeh, but guys, like, you know how the back of it is like really blurry. I don't need that much of a blurry background right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use it without it because I don't really need that much of a blurry background. So I'm gonna go up on my F so that way everything is in focus rather than just having it at f2.8 to where just her is in focus. I want to make sure everything's in focus. So there we go. And then we have the light for you guys. Yep, there we go. Let's see. Yes, there we go. Yes, 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 yes. Cause I'm not gonna lie, I gotta start shooting more with the damn Speedlight on my camera because it's actually doing exactly what it's supposed to do for real. Cause it's like, this is what it's for, but I hate using it a lot of the time. Yeah, there we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Going down on my ISO, you guys. Really just set your settings where you need to be, where they need to be at, and then just change your ISO as needed, depending on the situation and how close or how far you are from your model and how much light you do and don't need. Go ahead and turn this way, so like have the lake as your background. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it, let me see. 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, good little thumbnail. Hold it. There we go. Look at me right there. Yep, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now turn this way. Like put your like go to the middle. Yeah, and then put your feet towards me. Your back to the lake. Don't fall. Yep, there we go. There we go. Hold it. Yes, there we go. Yes. Angle your light as needed, you guys, as you're shooting, because sometimes you might angle down a little bit. So for example, I'm shooting at you and I have my light directly at you. If I'm angling down and I'm shooting down at the subject, now you need to move that flash up. You angle down a little bit more, move it up a little bit more, because if you have it down and you're going down, it's gonna shoot and it's gonna hit the floor and the light is gonna spread through the ground, okay? So I don't want my light flashing at the floor and then bouncing up, because you're gonna see a very hot spot on the subject, like just their feet. You don't want that. You don't want a hot spot. You wanna make sure that it's hitting the subject. So I'm aiming at the subject, I'm gonna aim it up so that way the flash goes to the subject, okay? I'm getting real close to the rock just to add a little bit extra flair to it, you guys. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Thank you so much, you guys, for tapping in, man. I love you guys. You know, I try to document all the behind the scenes of all the different videos and the different stuff that we do, the different shoots and stuff like that. Okay. Oh my gosh, the damn thing up top. They act like we're not shooting down here. They be forgetting about us little people. Jesus, man. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to you guys for tapping in, man. Make sure to share with a photographer, videographer, or a model that may find any of the tips in here as helpful. Until next time.
Taxi.
Yeah.
Say man, free my nigga, man, watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that?